What is up, everybody? Just Dhillon here. Today, as you can see, it's snowing like crazy. I have Nick with me. You already know who he is. You've seen me on his videos. Today I'm heading to Kamloops, BC. So I thought before heading to the airport, I'll show you what's going on here in Winnipeg. So stay tuned throughout the video and let's get to the airport. Alright, a quick FYI before we get on with this video. This is the first time I'm shooting a vlog, travel kind of video. So if you guys do like this video, make sure to smash that like button that you guys see right below you. If we can get 60 likes on this video, that would mean the world to me. Now, let's get on with that video.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Alright guys, so now we're at the departure section of the airport of Winnipeg, the international airport of Winnipeg. The departure section is upstairs. The arrival section of this airport is downstairs, whether you're coming from India or anywhere. So it's international and domestic, arrival and departure. As you guys can see right behind me, that's the security section. So I'm going to go through security and I'll see you after that.
When love comes in,
security check is done. We already went through that. As I saw you guys, the security check is right behind me. Now our gate is gate 12, so now we're heading on to there. Also, by the way guys, as I'm waiting here to board the plane, right now it's 5 a.m. in the morning. My flight is at 6:20 a.m. and first of all, I'm flying to Vancouver, and after Vancouver I'm heading towards Kamloops. So I'll show you around Vancouver. I have a 1 hour layover in Vancouver. So once I get to Vancouver, I'll see you guys there. So अब हम पहुंच गए Vancouver. I just got to Vancouver. It was a 2 hour and 20 minutes flight from Winnipeg. When I left from Winnipeg, it was 6:20 a.m. and I got here at 7 a.m. There's a 2 hour difference from Winnipeg to Vancouver. So now I'm heading to my gate to board to Kamloops. The gate that you guys can see right behind me, that's my flight from Vancouver to Kamloops. So now my boarding has already started to Kamloops. I'm gonna get on that flight and I'll see you guys in Kamloops. Alright you guys, so after a journey of 2.5 hours, I just got to Kamloops, and unfortunately it is like Winnipeg. It's also snowed out, but luckily compared to Winnipeg it's not that cold. I guess comparing anything to Winnipeg is always better. So Kamloops, I believe right now it must be like -4, -5 degrees. Well, when I left Winnipeg it was like -15, -20, right? So now I'm gonna get a cab. I'll get the cab, I'll get to the hotel, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so now I've reached the hotel. I'm in my room right here. I haven't even unpacked, as you guys can see. So this was the first time I've ever shot a vlog kind of video. So hope you guys did like this video. If you did by now, you should have liked this video. But if not, like this video, subscribe to my channel. And by the way, I'll definitely be shooting a whole room tour as well as a hotel tour. Definitely stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one.